Hi, I'm Mukta Nagaraj. Welcome to SBL Kitchen. Today I want to show you peach mousse and jelly. For this, the ingredients are canned peaches, gelatin, sugar, whipped cream, some vanilla essence and milk. To begin, I shall bloom the gelatin, pouring in little water and allow it to bloom for some time, and I would microwave for 20 seconds and dissolve the gelatin. Now I will keep aside 3 pieces of this peaches which I needed for the later use. Now into the jar. I am going to put all the peaches in. And to this, I'll be adding sugar, then the cream, now I'm adding the milk, now I'll blend this into a smooth mixture. To this, I will add the essence and the gelatin. Now I'll add in the gelatin and some vanilla extract. Here I don't want to blend more, I just want to whip. And it is uniformly blend. I would pour this into the required glasses. This ends the first phase of my panna cotta. This I want to set it for 3 hours in the refrigerator and then go ahead with the second step. After 3 hours, it is firm and nice. To do the top part, again I want to bloom in some gelatin. For this, I am going to add sugar and dissolve this. To this, I will be adding the gelatin. Leave it for some time and then microwave for 20 seconds as we did previously. Meanwhile, I'll chop the peaches thin and fine. I will start assembling this into this container which looks like a flower. I'll be doing the same for the remaining glasses too. the syrup which we kept aside, the peach syrup. To this I am going to add the gelatin mixture. To this I'll add few drops of vanilla extract. Now the jelly mixture is ready. I will pour it into the set. Now this has to be set for another 2 hours. This is set for 2 hours and our yummy peach mousse and jelly ready to eat.